Mike Hughes here. I'm at Ocidabile, made in Italy, and I'm here with Mauro. And you want to tell us a little about what's new this year at DEMA?
Yeah, we have a new product
Uh-huh.
this year. There is new bracelet for with the humpback whale,
Okay.
and turtle, manta ray, and double tank.
Double tank.
Also, we have a new line dedicated all for the Merman.
For the Merman.
Yeah, Merman. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. We have different model. The Mermaid tail,
Right.
with without stones, and any kind with the diamonds.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Very shiny. And these are all oxidized, just like all your other.
Yeah.
So I think, like we discussed before, it's Ocidabile is the same in English, right?
Yeah. It's
Just like
doesn't
Ferrari.
Change. Yeah, like Ferrari. Yeah, it's not. We are not like Ferrari, but it's like
Well,
Ferrari.
it's almost better than a Ferrari, though, because you can wear this anywhere.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, and it costs much less.
A little less.
Yeah.
Well, cool. Okay, and if they want more information about your products, we go to Ocidabile or
Ocidabile.com, and you can see everything we do, and
Okay.
and you can have all information about the oxidation.
is right. Well, all the information is right here. If I can get it on this little screen, we'll see if that worked. Thank you very much.
Yeah. You too, Mike.